that David played and plays alone, but you don't really care for music tonight. When it goes like this, a four to fifth, the minor fall and the major lift, the powerful king composing hallelujah, 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 when the faith was strong and she needed proof, we saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty in the moonlight overflowed. She tied you to her kitchen chair, she broke the throne and she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Baby, I've been here before. I've seen this room, I've walked this floor. I used to live alone before I knew you. I've seen your flag on my